Hello there, let's talk today about Hikvision restore default settings. As you can see, I have my Hikvision camera already connected to my switch. It's a PoE switch that powers the camera, and I have a camera connected to my computer. So here in front of me, I have the image of the camera via web browser, and I can restore the default settings, right? So I just need to come here to the configuration, and here on system, I have system settings and also maintenance. Okay, so go to maintenance, and here you can find this restore. So you can reset all the parameters except the IP. So you can keep the IP address, the original one, the default one, or you can restore all parameters to the default settings, right? That's the one that I'm gonna use right now. So I just click here, and the device will reboot and restore the default settings. So I just click here and wait for the camera to reboot. So I'm gonna lose connection with the camera for a while, and then I need to use a software to find the camera again, right? So when the camera comes back, you need to use a new password again. You need to activate the camera using a new password. Let me just close this web browser here, and use the tool, the SADP tool. So here, this is the tool that I can initialize the camera, activate the camera. So here we go. When the camera is back, I can find the camera here. The camera takes like 40 seconds to 1 minute to come back, and then you can find using this software, the SADP tool, right? So you can activate your camera again. So just need to wait here and refresh and see when the camera comes back. So here you go, the camera is back and it's inactive because I just reset it using the web browser. And what I have to do is just come here, select the camera and activate it again, giving the camera a new password. So I just need to type here a username and a password. In fact, it's just a password, right? It's going to use the admin username. I just click here and activate. Password mismatch, I made some mistake here. Let me just type it again. Here we go. Just type it again and click activate, and the device is activated again, right? Now I have here the question that I can insert here. If I lose my password, there's security question here. I just confirm that and I'm ready to go. So now my camera is working with the default IP address and also default settings, right? So I can come here and use my password to log into the camera. And now the camera is reset to the factory default settings, right? So I need to do this using a web browser, and it's pretty easy. So that's the way you can reset your Hikvision camera to the default settings using the web browser. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.